The freedom to enjoy the open air is taken by granted by most people. A mobility scooter bridges the gap between physically able and physically challenged. The compact GBH DB11 is ideal for trips of up to 25 miles on a single battery. The Mini DB11 arrives in ready-made larger parts. Fix the handlebar onto the ready-assembled scooter and turn the black locking switch to ensure the handlebars are completely secure. The adjustable seat, which is comfortably cushioned, simply slots into place and by using the included screw locks is also totally secure. The seat back can be flipped up or down to save on space, and the cover is made of easy-to-clean leather look fabric. The Mini DB11 can support up to 265 pounds. Just fix the seat at the height that is specific to your needs in a few short seconds. Add the easy-to-access basket in one quick movement, which means both hands are free to control your Mini DB11 mobility scooter. The flip-up armrests are cushioned and also simple to fix into place. By including this flip-up option in all of our models, you can easily maneuver yourself onto the scooter even when faced with more serious mobility issues. And see how the edge of the chair seat is the same length as the battery compartment? This means the battery space will not press into the back of your legs while driving. We really have thought of everything. The 12-volt maintenance-free sealed battery